Welcome, in this video I will show you how to unzip a file on Windows. First, open the folder with the file you want to unzip in your File Explorer. Then, right-click the file that you want to unzip, select Open with Windows Explorer, and then select Extract All. Then, enter the directory into which you want to unzip this file. Select Folder to confirm and then click Extract. Then wait until the file is extracted. And once the file is extracted, you'll be able to find it in the selected folder. So right now let's wait until the process is finished. And right now we have this file unzipped in the folder that we provided. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.